Hello. This is all the bits of today's makings from the Wonky Veg. Yesterday's went some to the chickens and some to the compost heap. But today's, with me doing a lot of blanching, I've saved the water that I blanched the food in. Now I'm going to add all these vegetable bits to it. There's leek trimmings, bits of carrots, parsnip, and I'm going to boil it so I can get some goodness out of these and make a vegetable stock, because I'm running low. And then I'll be able to can the stock up when I'm canning again, which is either going to be tomorrow or the day after. Not sure which yet. All the skins and everything I'm going to wash off and then boil them down and make some onion stock. That noise is me dehydrator going, and this here, yeah, it's one of my canning mats. I always like to put it over the top of jars to help them slowly come to temperature. And there's the canning I've done this morning. As I was doing a lot of vegetables, I've got a lot of ends and scraps and everything, so I made some stock out of it. This lot here is vegetable stock, so there's swede, parsnip skins, carrots, potatoes, different things in there, and this is just onion skins from when I froze the onions, and they both needed 30 minutes in the canner, so that's what they had, and now they're cooling down. So thank you, bye.
It's a